Section 2, Scalable Computing and Storage Services. There's no question that the cloud economics, the numbers, all of the accounting ledgers are favorable. No question about it. Cloud is less expensive in general when measured against like items. The use of cloud computing services is charged either by the hour or by a monthly subscription. However, usually customers can negotiate any kind of payment option. Cloud computing is 100% variable costs. Therefore, a firm can eliminate the fixed costs and overhead of their own IT infrastructure or hardware. Firms can add as many services as they need, and they can even reduce services as needed or as needed by their own demand for business. Cloud and other remote services are not a substitute for any device's native hardware or software. Cloud can provide services such as mobility. Therefore, on a mobile device, such as a tablet or even a mobile phone, it is possible to bring up a cloud desktop. And you can use it in a very, very similar way to the desktop that appears on your laptop. You likely have several devices, each of which has its own physical hardware, native operating system, and native software. The native hardware and software are called local resources. Cloud services are remote services. So you should be able to access both of the cloud resources and the local resources from any device. Any services accessed over the network are going to be remote services by definition. The scalability of cloud services makes it possible to better manage computing infrastructure and more efficiently manage computer infrastructure. Computer infrastructure is an enterprise's entire collection of hardware, software, networks, facilities, and related equipment used in application development, IT operations, any kind of monitoring, and any other support of information technology or data processing. Cloud allows firms to consolidate and reduce the computing services all to almost 100% cloud infrastructure if that is consistent with the firm's business model. This is the definition of managed services. So you may hear the term managed services. And what that is referring to is that firms can purchase computing services as needed on in a managed basis. Or they can completely manage their infrastructure from the cloud.